Whoa, whoa.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Grab my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of gin. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on my toes, toes. Trying on all my clothes, clothes. Boys blowing up my phones, phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs. Pulling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight to
Brotherji.
like tick-tock on the clock, but the party don't stop, no.
Mimino.
Make it pop, DJ blow
ကျန်ရတဲ့ Miss ဦးဦးကိုတော့စိတ်ထဲကနေအမှတ်တွေစတင်ပေးလို့ရပါပြီခင်ဗျာ
like tick-tock on the clock, but the party don't stop, I've had a little bit too much. All of the people start to rush by. A lazy twisted dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Asho! Next up is Miss Ball! Atutanto, Miss Haka! Miss Lautu! Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Matupi! Next up is Miss Mie! Next, we have Miss Mizo!